Good morning. Oh, actually, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, now we are facing with 2019. I felt that this time is going very faster. Now I'm talking about the future job and the future prospects of the lawyer. I spent over 30 years as a lawyer. Now I'm very just curious about the future of the lawyer, especially in the digital era, along with fourth industrial revolutionary age. Now, lawyer is a pretty good job, and you can be a consultant to someone who is in bad positions, especially in the criminal cases. The function of the lawyers is pretty big. Not only as a legal expert, but also psychology expert to cure the mental distress and the mental illness or fears, etc. And therefore, originally I thought the lawyer with a specialty in the criminal law is very difficult work. I don't like such kind of thing, but it's very valuable. And to the criminal defendant, lawyers' work is very tremendous worth. And also, if a lot of work, it means like you have many clients to supply the various case which is interesting to you. Being a lawyer is a pretty good job, and you can fully enjoy your life, and also you can get the economic income to enjoy your life. However, nowadays, like big law firms, just dominant in the legal market, and someone who is less competitive will lose his job. Every lawyers already worry about that, especially we are facing with the AI lawyers, and therefore top quality of the legal work will be monopolized by the big law firms, and from the bottom, the small miscellaneous legal work will be dominant by the AI lawyer, and therefore the legal market is much more competitive, and getting the competitiveness or sustain the competitiveness in the legal market is very difficult work. And therefore, I'm pretty old. I spent 30 years as a lawyer. I'm thinking about my future as a legal profession. In that regard, I want to be the legal curator. I just wrote around 800 columns in the newspaper and magazine, etc. And also I have experience to attend TV program some kind of dialogue program, either in Korean or in English. I enjoyed it. The unfortunate thing is that I do not have any sufficient opportunity to express myself in either Korean or English. Also, column is also very limited because the press is not willing to release my columns to the extent which I want to. Therefore, currently I'm just expand my column into the area of the column in English. The fortunate thing is, if I make a video for myself and it is released into the YouTube and the Native TV, it's good, almost like columns. Therefore, after 30 years legal practice, in the future, I would like to be legal curator rather than the lawyer, which means it's more complicated legal analysis. I put them in the plain language, in either Korean or English, to facilitate the clear understanding of public, which are not used to or familiar with the legal terminology. Maybe the communication method will be column, videotapes, through the YouTube or Native TV. Also, it can be a lecture style, or it can be published into the paper book or electronic book, etc. And I shared my information and data, which is appears to be useful to the public. I analyze it, which are very complicated, composing of the legal terminology, etc. I just make it short, make it clear into the plain Korean language or plain English language. That is my commitment, dedicated to, I can say, public from the 2019. Maybe the content is not quite perfect, but I tried. It's a kind of a challenging work. And also, I would like to be a mediator or host in some kind of a dialogue program or talk show with a legal expert, especially focused on intellectual property law, more specifically copyright law, with every and all the experts all over the world, either nationwide or international wide. I hope that my plan will be successfully launched and proceed further. Please see and give me a good inputs for my proposed project. Anyhow, thanks for your time watching my video tape. Thank you very much.